Experiencing a black screen or no sound on your MG infotainment system can be frustrating. First, understand the common causes: software glitches, hardware faults, or outdated firmware. A quick fix is to perform a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This can resolve temporary software glitches without affecting your settings. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 minutes. This clears any persistent glitches but may reset some vehicle settings. For no sound issues, check the volume settings and ensure the audio codec isn't glitched by cycling the ignition. Turn the car off and on again to refresh the system. These immediate steps address many common software-related issues. If problems persist, it may indicate hardware damage requiring professional diagnosis at an MG dealership. If resets don't resolve the issue, an outdated firmware could be the culprit. Check for over-the-air updates via the MG app or your car's settings. If OTA isn't available, visit MG's website for manual USB updates. As of mid-2024, MG released version 3.2.1 for ZS EV models to address black screen problems. For persistent issues, especially no sound problems, a dealership visit is recommended. Recalls have been issued for certain models like the 2022-2024 MG Hector due to faulty audio processors. Remember to always back up your settings before any update or reset to prevent data loss. The MG App Store now offers certified apps to increase stability.